Are you a beginner watercolor artist or someone whose watercolors aren't going quite the way you hoped?
You follow the tutorial step by step, but when your wash won't blend or your masking fluid leaves blobs, you freeze. You don't know whether to lift it, let it dry, or start over.
I'm Peggy Bishop, and here's what nobody tells beginners. Real watercolor skill isn't just following perfect steps. It's knowing what to do when those steps don't work. In this community, you won't just watch me paint beautiful demonstrations.
You'll watch me encounter the same problems you face and solve them in real time. Like when my mountain wash wouldn't blend with yellow ochre and had to scrub it out with a stiff brush and try a different approach. Or when the masking fluid left ugly blobs at the bottom of my birch trees, and I showed you the exact trick that made them disappear into the landscape. Or when my tree shadows were too light, and I darkened them. Still too light, darkened them again. Still not enough contrast, and which values I needed that finally made them work.
Every tutorial here shows the complete process, the recoveries, the pivots, oh, that didn't go quite how I expected, let's try this instead moments, because that's how you build confidence in watercolor. Inside, you'll get
over 90 days and 13 plus hours of detailed tutorials. You'll build your problem-solving skills through progressively more complex paintings. A portfolio of completed paintings as you paint alongside step-by-step tutorials. You're not just watching, you're producing actual finished work. Live weekly painting sessions, watch in real time and ask me questions as I paint. And a community of painters learning the real, messy, beautiful way that watercolor actually works. In month 1, you'll master the foundations. Buy affordable supplies that ease your learning curve, controlling water and dilution, understanding values, paint your first landscapes, and learn the secret to painting skies and sparkling water. In month 2, you'll start with a painting that brings together all the skills of month 1 plus some new skills, and then you'll move on to learning some special techniques as well as painting trees for all 4 seasons so that you can complete landscapes that look professional. By month 3, you'll be ready to command advanced subjects, meaning painting land and water together, paint a summer field, tackle reflections in water, and beautiful crashing waves, all of which you'll be proud to frame. You'll learn through practice and problem solving, building the adaptive thinking that makes you confident with any landscape or seascape.
If you're tired of tutorials that make it look easy and want to learn how watercolor really works with all its unpredictability and magic, then click the join button and let's paint.